Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to contact Badoo by phone. Now let's begin. What we want to do is simply contact Badoo. To do that, what we need to do is go to Profile. The button's at the bottom right, simply click on it. Then right here is the Badoo profile page. From here at the top right, you will be provided two options, namely Settings and Edit Profile. Click on the first option, that is Settings. Now this is the settings page. Now there are lots of things like basic info, account preferences and others. Right now I'm simply gonna click on Help Center. Well, as you can see, this is the Help Center. At the top in the search box, simply type Contact Badoo, and right here you're gonna see something like How can I contact customer support? Click on this button right here and this will open up. Well, it's showing me something like if you have a question and you can't find the answer, feel free to contact through Facebook, Twitter or the feedback form. I'm simply gonna click on the feedback form. Now this opened up. Well, there are lots of things like ask a question, report a problem or anything. Simply select the tab corresponding with your issue. I'm gonna click on it right now. Now this has opened up. Simply type your message right here. And once everything's okay, simply hit on send. Do note that you have the option to attach a screenshot as well. I'm gonna click on send right now. Well, as you can see, the feedback has been sent. Badoo will contact you in the registered email address. You will receive an email in your registered email address. Well guys, that's it. That's how we contact Badoo by phone. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time.